What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Cash from Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to add a curve going up and then down towards the outside. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then down. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind. So on the inside, we're going to draw an oval going up towards the top of the eye, come all the way around and then just tuck that in. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, going up, come down, just tuck that in. And then along the top of each pupil, draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's move down and draw the top of the mouth. We're going to curve this down and up. Go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Along the top, we're going to step down and draw the teeth with a curve. And then along the bottom, add a curve going up and down for the tongue. Now from here, we're going to layer the hair in behind the eyes. Let's start on the inside of the left eye, go straight across towards the middle, come down, then out towards the right eye. Let's go to the outside of the eyes, draw a straight line going out, go up, and then back out. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top. So draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the hair. And then we want to step that back in. Coming in, go up on both sides, and we'll flatten this off. Let's draw the top edge of the hood. Starting from this point, we're going to go up and then back in to create a square. From here, draw a straight line going up. And then again, we're just going to flatten this off with a straight line. Now we're going to come all the way down towards this point and draw the bottom of the head. Coming straight down, just underneath the mouth. And we'll close this off. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the hips. Let's go up to the top. We're going to draw a rectangle for the collar, coming down, across, and then back up. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Line that up on the right side. Now I'm going to flatten this off, drawing a straight line coming in. Let's follow that same curve of the leg, going up and then in towards the middle, go out and then down towards the right. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the legs. From these 2 points, angle this up and in. Now I'm going to trace this curve along the inside, going up toward the point and then back down. Now let's go to the side of the body and add in the arms. We're going to start from the top, step down. It's going to curve the arm going out and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to angle the arms going up and then out towards the outside. Trace that same curve going out and then down towards the bottom, and we'll flatten this off. Now you're going to draw the top and inside edge of the arms. Let's start from this point. Draw a straight line coming back in towards the body. From the bottom, draw a straight line coming in. And we'll follow that curve going up and then in toward the side. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Cash from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.